I'm Alan Mills, owner of Falcon Global Limited and author of MasterClass CSU training. We're getting 2024 off to a flying start with our virtual classroom training program that will bring MasterClass CSU to you in January, February and March. Tickets can be purchased from Eventbrite or directly from our site. It is the commissioning and startup phase of a project that will define it as a success or a failure. In order for any project to become an economic success, it must have a successful commissioning and startup phase, and it will do so safely. On the other hand, if a project does not have a successful commissioning and startup phase, it will be extremely unlikely that that project could ever go on to become an economic success. I will teach you the critical success factors that are essential to every project. You will learn the vital skills of systems completion and learn how to apply them for the safe commissioning and startup phase of your project and every project that you will work on. MasterClass CSU is ideal for engineers, technicians and managers, and indeed anyone new to the discipline. Our training is accredited by the American Petroleum Institute and approved by the UK's Engineering Construction Industry Training Board. Therefore, it is the only training course that will provide you with an internationally recognised qualification in CSU. So, click on the link and sign up today for MasterClass CSU Virtual Classroom training that will be coming to you. Learn how to achieve success in project completion and make sure to reserve your place right now. So stay safe and happy commissioning.